Lisa Giles, and I'm the CEO and founder of Giles Associates Consultancy and a second company called Optivera. Giles Associates is a strategy consulting firm, and we do consulting to life science companies as well as academic medical centers. Life science companies would be pharmaceutical, biotech, diagnostic, and device companies, and we focus on working with innovators to help propel meaningful innovation. Probably the best business advice I've been given is to cast my net wide. Early in my career, one of my mentors in counseling me on a choice said, really cast your net wide, look at the full scope of opportunities or options, and then understand which of those options really resonate the best with you. And I think that is a common practice of what we do. If I were to impart one piece of business advice to a child or a close friend, it would be to really pay attention to what brings you energy, what makes you curious, and what you enjoy doing. And in some cases when you're young, you don't exactly know yet what you enjoy doing, but you do have opportunities to sense, this really is intriguing to me, or this is exciting. And I think following the course of somebody else to try to gain position or whatever usually isn't a very fulfilling experience. But if in fact you really pay attention to your own guidance system, you typically end up in a much more solid place. I think what differentiates me and what differentiates our firm is our ability to cut to the chase. So we are exposed and provided large amounts of information, and we gather large amounts of information. And one of the things that we've spent a lot of our time trying to do is understand how to filter that to get to what really matters versus where there may be noise that is distracting. And that's not necessarily a simple skill, but it's one that we've tried to hone over time to lift out of the masses of information that we gather and collect and evaluate to really what's relevant, and then how do you build strategies around what's relevant that can truly move the dial and impact the business, the industry, the success of leaders.